Hello everyone. Hope all of you doing well. Come, let's learn about names of animals and their young ones. Okay, let's start. This is dog. The baby of dog is called
Puppy.
Next one is cat. The baby of cat is called
Kitten.
and this is cow. The baby of cow is
Calf.
and this is sheep. The baby of sheep is
Lamb.
next one is goat. The baby of goat is called
Kid.
and this is pig. The baby of pig is called.
Piglet.
Next animal is horse. The baby of horse is called
Foal.
and this is camel. The baby of camel is
Calf.
and this is duck. The baby of duck is called
Duckling.
and next one is hen. Baby of hen is
Chick.
this is rabbit. The baby of rabbit is
Bunny.
and this is donkey. The baby of donkey is
Foal.
the next one is elephant. The baby of elephant is
Calf.
and this is bear. The baby of bear is called
Cub.
this is deer. The baby of deer is called
Fawn.
and next animal is kangaroo. The baby of kangaroo is
Joy.
and the next animal is lion. The baby of lion is
Cub.
and this is tiger. The baby of tiger is
Cub.
this is owl. The baby of owl is
Owlet.
next one is butterfly. The baby of butterfly is
Caterpillar.
next one is frog. The baby of frog is
Tadpole.
and this is giraffe. The baby of giraffe is
Calf.
and this is monkey. The baby of monkey is called
Infant.
the next one is panda. The baby of panda is called
Cub.
this is wolf. Baby of the wolf is called
Pup.
and next one is zebra. The baby of zebra is
Foal.
the next one is penguin. The baby of penguin is called
Chick.
and this is tortoise. The baby of tortoise is
Hatchling. Thanks for watching.
like, share, subscribe for more videos.